I'm going to ask one last question because I feel like I really want to know. Who do you think, or who do you consider to be the most influential bull of all time?
I mean, it still has to be Elevation. I mean, when Elevation, you pull a lot of our pedigrees of both. It doesn't matter what niche breeding strategy we're talking about, whether it be the red portion of the Holstein breed, whether it be high genomic, whether it be show type, Elevation is everywhere. So we could pick multiple more modern or current bulls, but honestly it still traces back to Elevation or Chief in regards to their influence in the acceleration of genetic progress of the Holstein breed. So definitely Elevation still today.
What did he do for the breed that was so impactful? Like, what traits did he provide?
Yeah, I think in that era of when he was a staple, he was one of those bulls that actually was great at being a sire of sons and a sire of females. And generationally, year after year, generation after generation, the genetics that originated from Elevation held true and stayed impactful in the dairy industry in regards to both conformation, production, and health. So he was kind of that bull that pulled it all together for that population of animals before we even knew it was cool to do so.
Well, I think that's a perfect spot to stop, Kevin, and this just means that we can look for some Elevation, great-great-great-great-granddaughters, maybe, at Expo this year. But
there'll be plenty of them. There will be.
I have no doubt about that. But I have to say thank you so much for taking the time and tackling genetics on this podcast with us. And this has been a fantastic time for me, so hopefully listeners feel the same. But yes, thank you so much.
No, thank you for having me. My pleasure.
We want to thank our episode sponsor, Vitelli, one more time.